The number one factor in projects' profitability is the labor to complete the work. Understanding the importance of labor costs, manufacturers are always looking for ways to help their customers with labor-saving products. While installing round sheet metal duct, the norm in the industry is to utilize gasket and screw method. We are here today to offer an alternative system. The industry's manufacturers for barrel clamp connecting systems have made the claim of 50% labor savings on your field installation. In this video, we put it to the test. As shown here, the technician installing the duct must have multiple tools and materials to complete the connection. Although supported, the installer still has to maneuver around the duct and other obstacles to assure all points are secured and tightened properly. With a barrel clamp connection system, the first thing to note is that the tech is not applying butyl to the face of the flange. Most manufacturers provide a pre-gasketed clamp, adding to your labor savings and materials cost. The second point of savings is not only labor cost, but also to the material cost of screws and bolts. When using the barrel clamp system over screws, the seal is guaranteed to be consistent the entire way around the flange, avoiding any possible pinch points. As the installer secures the connection, this animation portrays how the neoprene gasket within the barrel clamp provides a true seal over the flange of the duct. As portrayed in this video, the claim to 50% labor savings was incorrect. The savings are much higher. Thank you for watching.